Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all are aware that we are reading chapter 4, The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. Before moving ahead, as we usually do, first of all we will recall what we have read as of now in this lesson. So as you all know, this is very interesting story in which a Japanese surgeon, Dr. Sadao, found a man whose name was Tom, and Tom was an American prisoner. And this story was set during Second World War, when Americans and Japanese were enemies of each other. So when Dr. Sadao found an American, he was prisoner of war. Dr. Sadao was in a dilemma. As surgeon, he should treat the man as the man was wounded, as the man was injured. But on the other hand, being a Japanese, he should hand the man over to the police. Either he should throw him back into the sea. Finally, Sadao and Hana, after they could not decide after a long time, the decision was taken by Dr. Sadao to take the man to his home. After he had brought the man to his home, he found the wound was very deep and the man needed to be operated on. That is why he decided to operate on the man, and he started the operation of the man, and Hana supported him because all the servants refused to serve the enemy, refused to help Sadao in operating on the enemy. So that is why Hana herself helped Sadao in operating on that American who was their enemy. When Hana called Yumi and asked her to wash that American, then Yumi refused, as even though Yumi was a maid servant of Hana, but she did not want to wash an American who was their enemy. So finally, Hana decided that he herself would, help Dr. Sadao. So finally, after Dr. Sadao had operated on the man started getting well, and after a few days, the man got well. Suddenly, one day, Dr. Sadao called by General Takima. General Takima was very brave general in Japanese army. He had fought many battles and won in his leadership. Japan had won many battles. General himself was a patient right now, and he was being looked after by Dr. Sadao. So when Dr. Sadao went to the general, he told him everything about that American whom he found at the coast of the sea. So as the general could believe only Dr. Sadao, he did not want Dr. Sadao to be arrested. So that is why he assured him that he would not let him arrested at any cost, because he could believe only Dr. Sadao. And also he told Dr. Sadao about his plan. He hatched a plan that he would send his professional killers, the assassins, to kill that American. But after a week, since he had promised him that he would send the private killers, the professional killers, he himself fell seriously ill and he forgot to send the assassins. Dr. Sadao waited for 3 nights to the assassins to come, but no professional killers came to his house. He did not let Hana know about it because he was worried if Hana would get to know, then Hana would get tensed if she would know that assassins would come to their house. So later we have seen when general failed to send the assassins, he might have forgotten or might be some other reason which later will be revealed in the story by general. We will get to know in the later part of the story why general was unable to send the assassins to their home. So finally Dr. Sadao himself decided to help that prisoner to escape. So this is what we have read in the story as of now. So let's see what happened next in the story. So everyone, I hope you all are ready with your book. Please turn your book at page number 44. So finally, dear students, Dr. Sadao himself made a plan, and according to his plan he would arrange a boat, he would arrange clothes, food, extra food and extra water in the boat, and with the help of the boat he would help that American to run away. Page number 44, second paragraph from here we are going to read out today. Sadao did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore, and in it he put food and bottled water that he had bought secretly during the day, as well as 2 quilts he had bought from a pawn shop. So let me write the meaning of pawn shop. Pawn shop, a kind of shop, dear students, on which money is lent by giving the valuables, okay, in the exchange of valuables, and if one does not return the money in the agreed time, then the shop has authority to sell that valuable. Okay, so this shop is called pawn shop. A store that lends money in exchange for a valuable. In exchange for a valuable thing that they can sell if the person leaving does not pay an agreed amount of money by an agreed time. Agreed time. Okay. So this is called pawn shop. So when Sadao had discussed this plan with the American, he did not talk to him. He did not see him until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat. So when it was getting dark, Sadao dragged the big boat. Stout means fat, big boat, down to the shore, and in it he put food, bottled water that he had bought secretly during the day. So all the things which he had put in that boat, he had bought secretly during the day, as he was not he did not want to be suspected by anyone. So that is why he put everything secretly. He bought everything secretly. as well as 2 quilts he had bought at a pawn shop. And also, uh, in order for not be suspected on, he had bought 2 quilts from pawn shop. So as the meaning of pawn shop, already it has been written on the board, and I have told you it's a type of shop from which money can be lent by exchanging the valuables. If one does not pay the money in the agreed time, then pawn shop has authority to sell that things. So he bought these things from pawn shop so that no one could suspect him. The boat he tied to a post in the water. Then he tied the boat to a pole, for the tide was high. Because the tide was high, there was no moon, and he worked without a flashlight. So there was no moon in the sky, and he was working without a flashlight so that no one could see him. When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back from his work, and so Hannah knew nothing. So as he did not let Hannah know anything about his plan, he let Hannah know nothing about his plan. So that is why he entered his house as he had come from his work. Yumi was here today, she said as she served his supper. So when Hannah was serving Sadao's supper means dinner. So when Hannah was serving Sadao's dinner, she told Sadao that Yumi was there that day. Yumi had come that day. Though she was so modern, still she did not eat with him. So even though Yumi was very modern, but she did not eat with Sadao. First she served food Sadao, and after Sadao had finished his food, she used to eat. Okay, so even though Hannah was modern, she did not eat with Sadao. Further, Hannah informed Sadao, Yumi cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. So this is what Sadao informed. This is what Hannah informed Sadao about Yumi. Hannah informed that Yumi had come, and Yumi was in a grief because of the baby, because she used to miss the baby too much. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. Further, Sadao said that the servants will come back as soon as the foreigner, means that American, that prisoner of war, would go. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself, and checked carefully the American's temperature, the state of wound, and his heart and pulse. So before he went to the bed that night, he went to the American's room. He checked his temperature, heartbeat, pulse. He wanted to be sure that the American was now well, and easily he could escape. He was in a position of escaping. Okay, so that is why he went and checked his temperature, his wound, and his pulse. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement. He found the American's pulse irregular. The reason behind it would be the excitement, as that day he would be free from there, so he was very much excited. So that is why his pulse was irregular. But that was perhaps because of excitement. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burnt. Only the scars on his neck were red. everything was okay, everything was well, only the scars on the neck was red. It means now the American was in a position of escaping. He was well now, and Sadao, did not need to think about him, did not need to think about his health, as he was well enough to run away. I realized he was saving my life again, he told Sadao. So the American told Sadao that he could realize that Sadao was saving his life again. Not at all, Sadao said. It is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. So he told him that I am not saving your life. I am helping you to escape because you have become an inconvenient here. You have become an inconvenient for me and for my family. So that is why I am helping you to escape from here. It doesn't mean that I am saving your life once again. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight. So first he hesitated in giving the man a flashlight. Flashlight means torch. So in the beginning he was hesitated in giving the man the torch, but he had decided to give it to him after all. But finally he gave him a flashlight. He gave him a torch. It was a small one, his own, which he used at night when he was called. So it was a small torch, and it was his own, and it was Sadao's own torch, which Sadao used to use during the night. If your food runs before you catch a boat, he said. Further, Sadao said him that if he would run out of food before he catches a boat, signals me two flashes. At the same instant, the sun drops over the horizon. So he told him that, as we know that at the horizon means at the time of dusk. He told him that you have to flash 2 times at the time of dusk. Dusk is a time between evening and night. So he told him that you have to flash 2 times during the dusk. If you run out of the food, you have to flash 2 times. Okay? And he strictly told him, he strictly asked him not to flash the light during the darkness, because he would flash the light during the darkness, so he must be caught. Okay. Do not signal in darkness, for it will be seen. If you are all right but still there, signal me once. Further, he told him that if you are all right and still on the island, then you should signal me once. You will find fresh fish easy to catch, but you must eat them raw. A fire would be seen. Further, he told him that you can get fresh fish to eat, but you should eat them raw. You should not burn fire, because fire would be seen there. Okay, the young man breathed. So the young man agreed. So finally, dear students, Dr. Sadao told everything, every precautionary measures to that patient, to that American, and having promised, the American left for that island. So it was going to be a final run for that prisoner of war from that American. Now page number 45. He was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him. And at the last moment, Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Sadao made him dressed in the Japanese clothes which Sadao himself gave him, and at the last Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde hair. So at the end, Sadao wrapped a black clothes at his blonde hair so that he would not be suspected as an American. So he was now looking like a Japanese. The young American, without a word, shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. So the young American, without saying a word, shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. So finally, that prisoner of war, that American whose name was Tom, was on final run. Once, twice, Sadao saw his light flash to find his way. Sadao found that he used light flash once or twice, but that would not be suspected. But the way he used the flashlight, it would not be suspected. He waited until from the shore there was one more flash. So he waited until he reached to the shore and he saw one more flash. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. Then Sadao closed the partition and Sadao slept soundly that night. Okay. So finally, that American escaped successfully. And then he closed the partition, and that night Sadao slept soundly. You say the man escaped? The general asked faintly. So Sadao once again informed that Sadao did not tell the general that he had helped that American to escape. Sadao just told the general that the prisoner of war, that American Tom, had escaped. At this, American shocked. General Takima shocked. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. So, General Takima had been undergone an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night, and for 12 hours Sadao had been sure the general would live. First 12 hours Dr. Sadao was not sure that whether the general would live or not. The gallbladder was much involved because his gallbladder was much affected. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again, demand food. The old man, he came to conscious, and he inquired about the prisoner, at which Sadao told him that the prisoner of war, the American, had escaped. But once again, he was feeling very weak and he asked for food. So that is why no further discussion took place between them. Sadao had not been able to ask about the assassins. So that is why Sadao was not able to ask for assassins. So far as he knew, they had never come. So far as he knew, they had never come. The servants had returned, and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burned sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. So finally, when the servants came to know that the prisoner of war was not there, the American had left Sadao's house. All the servants once again came back to Sadao's house and they cleaned Sadao's house. Yumi burned the sulfur in the that prisoner's room in order to purify it, in order to get the white man's smell out of it. Nobody said anything. Only the gardener was cross because he had got behind with the that is chrysanthemums. It's a type of flower. The student of science must be knowing. Okay, so he was the season of chrysanthemums passed, so that is why the gardener was angry, and none other than gardener was angry. But after a week, Sadao felt the general was well enough to be spoken about the prisoner. But after 1 week, when Sadao thought that now general was well and he could be spoken about, the prisoner of war. So once again he discussed with him. Yes, Excellency, he escaped, Sadao now said. So now Sadao informed him that prisoner of war had escaped. He coughed, signifying that he had not said all he might have said, but was willing to disturb the general, unwilling to disturb the general further. So he did not tell the general everything, as he did not want the general to be disturbed further. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. But that old general opened his eyes suddenly. That prisoner, he said with some energy. So now that general said with energy, that prisoner, he said with energy, did I not promise you I would kill him for you? Further he said that if I hadn't promised you that I would get him killed. So this is what general asked when he was informed about the escaping of that prisoner of war. The general got shocked and asked him whether I did not promise that I would send the assassins to get him killed. So he asked to Sadao shockingly. Let me rub it and write down the meaning of a few more words. Chrysanthemums, flower. Okay. So it's all about this video, dear students. In my next video I'll finish this lesson. Only one more page is left, which will be finished in my next video, and then we will discuss questions and their answers which are given at page number 47 and 48. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.